Hey everyone, I am so excited. My deck came. This is the printed version, and I will tell you that the deckable version, the digital version on the app Deckable, is so much better, so much easier, so much information in it. But I do have the printed cards, and they are still available at a discount on pre-order if you will pre-order today before I place the big order, and then they'll be available for you hopefully in the next couple of weeks. But they are done, they are ready, and they are so beautiful. Look at this. This is the cover, has the 5 areas that I focus on. It's got a little bit about what the cards are about. I added some extra details just because I had one extra space. Um, the cards for each of the 5 areas that tell you how to use it. And because Deckable has video and I can incorporate that into it, but you can't with a flat card. I have QR codes, so you can at least access some of the videos in a different format so that you can have that meditation part with this. So look for the QR codes. These are the 5 areas. It gives you a little background on what it's about. And then you get to the deck. Now in the back, of course, I'm official, are these. There's some things that I had used that like using all of your senses. This deck is about using all of your senses. And this is a card to let you know what those senses are, more than 5, and how to use them. And I am in the process of developing a class. The QR code to obtaining that class is on the back. It'll be pre-recorded, very low cost. So you can learn about these areas. It's already been completed. It's just a matter of editing, but that's coming. So look for that. A little bit about healing in the back here. And then these are the cards. Look, they're so beautiful. And this is my own artwork, and it explains it in here that this was my creation connected to these areas. So again, this is a very sensory involved way of treating yourself at home in between sessions with me, and to use these to help move you forward one step at a time. So they have, this is medicine, this is medicine. There are ways of healing, becoming well, improving your relationships, and improving your mind, improving your emotional triggers, and so much in this simple deck. And I'm so excited they're here. So look at the bottom of this video and you will have the pre-order available to you. So pre-order with me and I will get these out to you as soon as possible. Thank you.